How to hide recently deleted album on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Scroll down, and you will see the recently deleted album under the Utilities section. To hide this, tap on the Customize and Reorder button at the bottom as shown. On the Customize and Reorder screen, you will see a list of collections. Find Utilities in the list and tap the check mark next to it to uncheck it. When you go back and scroll down, the entire Utilities section, including recently deleted, will be hidden. Following these steps, you can easily hide the recently deleted album on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.